Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm giving you the ultimate guide for how to make gravy. Today, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know for making any kind of gravy, whether you're making a beef gravy, turkey gravy from your drippings, or just a chicken-based gravy, or even a vegetarian gravy. What about a chocolate gravy? I've got you covered and you're going to learn everything you need to know. Let's say you've just roasted a turkey and you have all of these delicious drippings in the bottom. There's almost never enough juices left in the pan to make enough gravy to serve up dinner. So what you want to do is, while it's still hot, loosen up all of that good, delicious flavor that has stuck to the bottom and strain all of your liquids into a measuring cup. And you can see I only got about 3/4 of a cup of liquid. That's not enough to make some good gravy. Then you just want to top it off here with a little bit of store-bought liquid. So if you roasted a turkey, you want to use turkey broth. If you roasted a chicken, you want to use chicken broth. And if you roasted beef, you'd use beef broth. You need 2 cups of liquid. And then if you didn't roast anything, just use straight up broth. So if you want chicken gravy, use chicken broth, or turkey broth for turkey gravy, or beef broth for beef gravy. And if you want vegetarian, just use vegetable broth. Making gravy is the same no matter what flavor you're going for. If you wanted to make chocolate gravy, you'd be using 2 cups of milk. Then you want to melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan. Next, you need to choose your thickening agent. You can use either a 1/4 cup of flour or 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Sometimes people say they can taste the flour if you use flour as the thickening agent, so you can always use cornstarch. If you're making a chocolate gravy with milk, definitely go for the cornstarch. Whichever you choose, you want to dump it in and then use a whisk to combine it with the fat in the butter. Once that's a nice clumpy mess, we're going to pour in our liquid. So today it's 2 cups of chicken stock. And you want to whisk this in and bring it to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, it'll thicken up and you are ready to eat. And just to prove that this works for any type of gravy, let's make some chocolate gravy. So we'll add cornstarch to the butter, whisk that in, then we'll pour in our milk and bring this to a simmer. And then once that thickens up, you'll have, I guess, milk gravy, but we want chocolate gravy. So I'm gonna add in 1 cup of chocolate chips, and you can add a little bit of sugar if you want to, but I'm going for milk chocolate, so it's probably sweet enough as is. You want to stir this until it melts. And let me tell you, chocolate gravy is delicious over some fresh, warm, sweet biscuits. Hopefully now you have everything you need to know to feel confident in making any kind of gravy. You are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.